This is really a rare experience. I learned how to make mullet roe, how to identify the grade of mullet roe and how to eat it, and also introduce the background and story of mullet roe in detail. Recommended to interested travelers. If you want to know more about the food and stories of Kaohsiung, Taiwan, you must participate in this event. Recommendation to merchants: if there are English subtitles or English explanations, it may be a good way to promote Taiwanese food to the world and provide it to foreign tourists. I have been to Taiwan, Taipei, many times and I often see mullet roe on the streets, but I never knew what it was and how it tasted. When I went to Kaohsiung this time, I saw this activity about mullet roe on Klook, so I signed up to visit and find out more. The guide, handsome, Lin Whiting's patient explanation gave me a deeper understanding of the production of mullet roe and its impact on the development and culture of Taiwan's fisheries. It is highly recommended for friends who are interested in mullet roe to visit. The place is not big, but the quality of the food is quite good and the introduction is very careful. Those who like to eat mullet roe can arrange to go there. Although it is a mullet roe processing factory, there is no fishy smell inside and the DIY production area is also very clean, which is very suitable for children to come along. The characteristics of the mullet are very clear, and the brand history is also introduced in detail. It turns out that it was transformed from the old shop I saw when I lived in Yancheng district when I was a child. The first ISO-certified mullet roe production factory in Taiwan. In addition to listening to the guided tour, you can also experience how to make mullet roe, grilled mullet roe and choose mullet roe freshly grilled mullet roe. Super fragrant. The mullet roe ice cream is very special, not bad. We made a reservation in advance, and because it was a weekday, only 2 people attended. The professional staff led us to explain in detail and interestingly, letting us know many little secrets of mullet roe. Haha. I participated in the fire roasted mullet roe DIY and baked it myself. It tasted fragrant and delicious. And you can also buy souvenirs. Buy it and share it with family and friends. Last minute trip. Mom wanted to try mullet roe, but the kids were curious why the mullet roe eggs turned red. They bravely tried a bite. Mom, it's okay, I tried it for you. They have a promotion where you get a free popsicle if you follow them on IG. It was pretty good. Book tickets online in advance, and remember to call to make a reservation. The guided tour explains the history. I have increased my knowledge about the manufacturing process of mullet and mullet roe. Although the process of DIY grilling mullet roe is not long, it is a good experience. You can bake it yourself and eat it. It is quite delicious.